In this video, I'm going to show you how to add longer videos on Facebook Messenger story. So if you open up Facebook and you want to upload a video that is longer, like so, sometimes you might get an error saying this video is too long, you can't post it. In that situation, what you want to do is click on story, then click on the camera thingy, like you want to take a video, click on the bottom left, go to your camera roll, select videos, and then select that long video. And that's it. That should work. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.